Welcome to EKTV. Today, a moderate magnitude earthquake was reported in Taiwan City. The earthquake hits Taiwan today, 10th February 2022, at local time 3 p.m. According to German Research Center for Geosciences and US Geological Survey, a shallow magnitude earthquake was occurred in Taiwan, which magnitude is 4.6. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth might be revised next few hours or minutes. Please like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.